Good morning, my dear students. Jai Hind to all. Welcome to your math class. So, my dear students, let's continue our previous unit, Unit 1, numbers up to 200. And today we will learn about expanded form. Do you know, beta, what is the meaning of expanded? Okay, now I will tell you what is the meaning of expanded. Okay, so let's start with me.
So beta, what is the meaning of expanded? Expanded. Okay, so I will tell you, beta, here I want to explain you first about the meaning of expanded. Expanded means detailed, vistar. Okay, I will tell you. Suppose beta, I have a rubber band and now it is in standard form, but when I stretch it like this, when I stretch it, it gets expanded like this. Okay, same like we do with a number in expanded form. Okay, so in expanded form we write a number in details. Fine beta?
So beta, after understanding the meaning of expanded, we will know about the expanded form. Okay, so what is an expanded form? Expanded form of a number is the sum of the place values of the digits. Okay? So beta, take out your math notebook and let's start with me.
So beta, take out your math notebook and open it. Okay? Take out the new page and firstly write down the date. Okay? And today is 3rd June 2021 and the day is Thursday. And this is your classwork. Okay, and write on the heading, and this is unit 1 and the unit name is numbers up to 200. Okay, and our today's topic is expanded form. Expanded form. Today we will learn about the expanded form. Okay, so firstly we will write down the definition of expanded form. Okay, so write down in the next line beta. Expanded form of a number is the sum of the place values of the digits. Okay, that means beta, expanded form of a number is the sum of the place values of the digit. हम expanded form में numbers को उनकी place value के according लिखते हैं. Okay, fine beta. For example, beta, I have a number 124. Okay, so firstly beta, I will write down here HTO. Okay, then I will place 124 according to HTO. Okay, 124. So 1 at 100 place and 24, 2 at 10th place and 4 at 1's place. ओके, सो सबसे पहले बेटा एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म निकालने के लिए हमें क्या करना होगा, हमें प्लेस वैल्यू निकालनी होगी. ओके, आफ्टर दैट वी विल डू एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. फाइन, सो द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 4 इज, ओके, 4 एट 1's प्लेस, सो द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 4 इज 4. फाइन, नाउ प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 इज 20 because it is on tens place. Okay, so 2 tens, so the place value of 20. Fine. Then 100, so the place value of 1 is 100. Okay, 100, 2 tens, 4 ones, so this is place value. Place value. Okay, now so according to this beta, what is the expanded form? Okay, so expanded form of 124 is equal to 100. Okay, so 100 we will write down from highest number. Okay, that means from 100 place. Okay, so 100, then we will put the symbol of plus. Okay, plus, then 2 tens, so 20, then again plus symbol, then 4 ones, so write down here 4. Okay, so beta, this is the expanded form of 124 in figures, means in numerals. Okay, or beta, we can write it in words like 124 100, then plus 2 tens plus 4 ones. Okay, this is the expanded form in numerals and this is the expanded form in words. Fine beta. Now turn the next page. Beta, on next page we will do a small exercise related to expanded form. Okay, so firstly write down the date, 3rd June 2021, and the day is Thursday, and this is your classwork, and the topic is exercise related to expanded form. Okay, so write down the first question. Question 1, write the expanded form of the numbers in numerals. Okay, मीन्स बेटा यहाँ पे हमें एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म लिखनी है इन न्यूमरल्स में. ओके, दैट मीन्स फिगर्स में. फाइन. सो फर्स्ट वन इज ए पार्ट 172. So beta, here I have to write down the expanded form of 172. Okay, so firstly I will write down here HTO. Okay, and according to HTO I will write down here the expanded form. Fine. So beta, 100, so write down here 100. Okay, 7 tens, then plus का sign, then 7 tens 70. Okay, then again plus sign and then 2. Okay, so the expanded form of 172 is 100 plus 70 plus 2. Okay, fine. Now next, B part, the number is 189. Fine. So beta, expanded form of 189 is 100. So write down here 100, then plus sign 8 tens. So write down here 80, 9 ones, then plus 9. Fine. Now C part, 101. So the expanded form of 101 is 100. So write down here 100, then plus sign देन 0. ओके, टेंस प्लेस पे हम यहाँ 0 लिखेंगे बिकॉज 0 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती है, टेंस प्लेस पे कोई नंबर नहीं था इसलिए यहाँ पे 0 है. फाइन. देन प्लस and 1 once, so write down here 1. Fine. So the expanded form of 101 is 100 plus 0 plus 1. Fine beta. Now come on the next question. Question number 2. Write the expanded form of the numbers in words. ओके, अभी हमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म को न्यूमेरल्स में लिखा था, अब यहाँ पे किस में लिखेंगे? वर्ड्स में. ओके, सो बेटा फर्स्टली राइट डाउन द एच ट्यूब. ओके, देन अ नंबर 139. Okay, so the expanded form of 139 is 100 then plus 3 tens then plus 9 ones. Okay, 100 3 tens plus 3 tens plus 9 ones, 9 ones. Okay, now next is B part. The number is 187. Okay, so write down the expanded form 100. So in word 100 plus 8 tens plus 7 ones. Okay, in words 100 8 tens 7 ones. Okay, fine beta. Now beta, that's all for today. You have to complete these 2 pages. Okay, number 1 and number 2, these 2 pages in your maths notebook. Fine beta. Okay, thank you. Bye bye, take care.